In today's video, let's talk about how to use Shein's order protection for lost packages. If your Shein package is lost and you purchase the order protection during a checkout inside of Shein, you can easily use this feature inside of the Shein platform in order to return or get a refund. So what you need to do is head over to the My Order section, tap on the View All Items, and you'll be able to see all of the items that you purchase within Shein. You just need to track or tap on the exact order that has been affected. So you can just tap on this particular item, and then you'll need to tap on the return or refund option that you'll be able to see. Once you select the return or refund, you'll need to choose your lost item and then select the reason that the package is not received. So make sure you state the exact reason though your package has not been received, and then you can request a full refund using this exact process. So as I said, once you're inside of the order section, you can choose the package not received or the package missing option, so you can get a full refund of this entire order. So that's all there is to it. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.